What's up guys, welcome back to the SmartHackSpot. Today in this video I'm going to give away these AirPods, Apple AirPods. It's cost about $160 and you know that, and also I will purchase this in $160 from UAE, and this is for you guys. So there are simple rules to win this, and you just need to get these rules in the description below, and also I will tell you in this video. So guys, you just need to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends, and also mention your friends in this video, and just give me a little screenshot of this subscription button. So I will have any other this AirPods, I will use the other one. So this is for you. So if you want this, just subscribe my channel and mention your friends in this video. So let's see guys who can win in this video, and also I will going to show you what you get inside in this case. So I'm going to open and you can see, and let's go. I'm going to open this in front of you. Let's see. I have the any other one, so this is for you guys. It's a little gift from my channel for you, and also you need to tell me why you want to win this. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm going to open this. So it's sealed. I'm not going to use this one because I have any other one, because I bought two pieces of these AirPods. So one for you and one for me. So let's see guys. It's pretty smooth casing. So let's see what we get inside. Yes, it's little bit hard. Oh yes, the same as like I'm opening any other iPhone. So you can see guys, this is an awesome thing. This is the coolest product I ever used after the iPhone 7. Yes, oh yes, it's cool. The instruction things. Yes, this is an instruction book. I'm not going to choose this. This is the also instruction book. Yes, you can read when you get this. You can read this. So it's AirPod. Yes. So finally guys, the smallest thing in the big case you can have. So here I'm going to open this. Yes. Wow. So cute. The latest case. Yes, here we have the AirPods. This is completely wireless, and you can see this light. It's now activated. So I'm not going to use this because this is for you. I have any other one, I will use that one. So guys, this is for you. So guys, if you need this, simply you just need to subscribe to my channel. Second, you need to comment on this video and tell me why you want to win in this video and this giveaway. This is the holiday giveaway for you. This is the first giveaway in my channel, so please